Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Parkside Performance Line Cordless Impact Driver 20 volt, the model PDSSAP 20 Li B2. Bare unit, battery and charger are not included, you need to buy it separately. Compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20 volt team series. 5 years warranty, designed in Germany. Yes, 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty on a tool? Only Parkside. Up to 25% higher torque, up to 10% longer motor life because it has a brushless motor, up to 19% higher impact rate when compared to the Parkside Cordless Impact Wrench PDSSA 20 LA1, and that model you can check it at the right of the corner in the end of this video and just see which tool is best for you and just buy it. Of course, it costs 55 euros, the other tool it costs less because this has a brushless motor. Max torque it is 226 Newton. Nominal impact rate it is from 0 to 4300 ppm. Rate no load rotation speed from 0 to 3600 rpm. Screw capacity up to M16. Tool holder with a quick release. And again, brushless motor, especially durable, powerful, with a low wear and tear. Well, nice of that. Let's open to see what we have inside. And of course, I will perform some tests and see if it's worth the money to buy it. It costs 55 euros with no charger and with no battery. I like the case, black and red. Parkside Performance, hints is here, durable plastic, nice, handle, and there we are. Not much to see at the case because it is only the tool. Of course, at the case we've got the compartment for the larger battery if you want to install it, and there is the larger battery. You can install that here perfectly in a nice and beautiful place, and you can have another one. This is a 20 volt 4 ampere hours battery, and you can have two batteries, or if you want you can have the charger on this position, nice and beautiful, and charge at all time your tool. And inside, of course, we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. And there's the tool. Whoa, I like it. It fits perfect to my palm. So premium, like it. Oh, and the case, it's quite heavy and without the tool. Well manufactured the case. Manual. Oh, nice. I love Performance Line from Parkside. Brushless, it says here. Yeah, we know you are a brushless motor. Parkside brushless performance and the model. Nice. We've got a soft grip around. Definitely it will help a lot. Belt clip for your belt, of course. The trigger, the left and right switch. And we can see here we've got the LED walking light, and we've got the button for the Newton meter. 120, 150, 190 and 226. Nice. Connection for any bit, and there we've got a lot of that. Just press connect and release. Doesn't go anywhere, just pull that and release. Same goes for the other. Doesn't matter what type you want to use. Perfect. And I think we need the battery now. And as I saw you can use the 4 ampere hours 20 volt battery or the 2 ampere hours 20 volt battery. And if you want, you can use the charger, the fast charger 4.5 amp max, or the regular charger from Parkside. This is 2.4 amp. It doesn't matter which charger you will use, it will charge both of these batteries. If you decided to buy this battery, it costs 25 euros. This it costs 18 euros. The charger costs €8, and I think the fast charger it costs about €12. It is your choice which pack you want. I prefer to buy the 4 ampere hours battery because the different price between these two batteries it is only €7. It costs 25, it costs €18. Okay, let's use the larger one. LED indicator. Oh, when you hear a brushless motor, amazing. And now you can see the Newton meter, it is in 226. Press the button, it goes 190, 150, 120. And we've got LED in each number. From 120 it goes to 226, 190, 150, 120. Yeah, I like it. It's a beautiful tool, yeah, definitely. Well, let's move on for testing. That is the most important thing on a tool. Test and see how it goes. And you can remove this belt clip and install it at the left side. Now I've got some screws. I will start with a smaller one. And we are in 120 Newton meter. Easy. And of course we've got the trigger with adjustable speed control as you are pressing. Goes faster. Perfect. Let's remove that. Go to the next screw. Okay, 120. Let's go 150. 190. Perfect. Let's try this. It is a bigger length. Perfect. Larger, thicker screw. Perfect. Larger length. Perfect. All the way in. And now the longest screw, it is 22 centimeters and the thickness 1 centimeter. Let's see how it goes. Starting from 120. Okay, 150 now. 190. And the maximum 226 Newton meter. Wow. Okay. All the way in. Too much friction at the screw. I was worried maybe it will break, but it goes all the way in. And let's remove it. Oh my god, it burns. And it smells. And now for my final test, I've got these 5 screws. We need only 4. The length, it is 9 centimeters. Perfect. And I will try to see how long it will take for each speed, starting with the 120. Okay, until this it will touch at the wood, it will be the end. Now let's go on 150. And now 190. We've got battery? Okay. Yes and no. Okay, and 226, that will be the highest Newton meter and the faster. Perfect. And this is the other model that I was talking about. You can check down below to the description the video that I made. It is cheaper and it costs with battery and charger only 50 euros. This, it costs only the unit 55 euros. Whoa! And it is so hot. But it is still working with no problem. Brushless motor against non-brushless. And of course, this model, it doesn't have an adjustable button for Newton meter. It is only one speed. Belt clip. It has a belt clip. You can use all the batteries from the Parkside 20 volt X Team series with no problem. And as you can see, the length, it is larger because it doesn't have a brushless motor. This is smaller with a brushless motor. Well guys, that was all about. It doesn't matter which screw you will use. The thickness of the wood, it was 10 centimeter and definitely is doing an amazing job. It can screw all the screws without a doubt. It is very powerful. If you have the money, 55 euros only the unit without battery and charger, it is your choice. You need to give about 30 euros more and buy the charger and the 4 ampere hours battery. But I'm sure at your house you will have other batteries from Parkside and charger. That's why no worries, just use them and you don't have to give more money for buying new battery or charger. I like it, it is an amazing tool, definitely is worth the money. You can see what it can do. Well guys, that was all about. If you want to buy it, it is your choice. For me, thumbs up. Without a second thought, I will buy it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.